Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to switch from creator account to personal account. So, if your Instagram account is on creator mode and I want to switch from the creator account to your personal account, then there's a video for you. So, for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you need to do when you want to switch from creator account to personal account is go ahead and click on the Instagram application to open it. Select the profile button at the bottom right. Click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, on the settings and activity page, scroll down. Locate and click on Creator Tools and Controls. Then scroll down the account. Then scroll down the page. Locate Switch Account Type and click on it. Now, once you click on Switch Account Type, locate and click on Personal Account or Switch to Business Account depending on what you want to switch to. So here, we want to switch from creator account to a personal account, then click on switch to personal account and then choose part that says switch to personal account. Go ahead and click on switch to personal account and then you're good to go. Now go back to your Instagram profile page, then you should see your Instagram profile returned back to your personal account. So that is basically how to switch from creator account to personal account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.